chicken down here. Mr. Chicken.
Oh, there's the black rabbit, black rabbit, black rabbit. Oh my God, there it is.
Oh, that's true. The bunny.
Yeah, black bunny.
Yeah, there it
Check
is.
that off.
Is that a black bunny?
It's a wild one.
Okay.
We do get black rabbits. It's a recessive gene in rabbits, so usually it's isolated populations you get this black gene. But this, I will explain all when it's here. My bad. It's alright, it's good to ask a question.
Here's a big peat stack here.
This isn't
That's peat.
as the peat stack would have been. The peat
There
stack
you go. All peat stacked up, cut and stacked and drying out here. There it is.
All the different bits of driftwood that you could find.
We go inside some of the ruins now. Take a look inside here.
They've done a bit of work.
Gotta watch my head because there's a low ceiling here. Gotta crawl under there. Okay. Here's some more ruins. Look like some pretty big rooms here. There's a lot of rock movement here where everything is no mortar, it's just rocks and filled in with crushed whatever they can find here. Let's see if I can get in here. Gets lower as you go along here. I don't know if I'm going to make this one. That's pretty low there. I'm going to have to back out here. I can see over top of the roof here. See the countryside, roof is all grass. Okay, I'm not going through that one because that's too low. It's like right here, there's Shadow Man here. Even Shadow Man's not going in there. No way, no way. Looking at one of the windows here. Go up over top there. Look outside.
Well, at least they didn't have nicotine in it. So.
Well, that's it. Yeah. Well, they did have tobacco latterly. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, as far as that's going to happen.
Yeah.
And this is from an actual whale. It's encased in fiberglass now because it's so old and was deteriorating. And the actual harpoon is hanging from the top. As you can see there, I'm going to try to come out here so you can see it. But it's pretty big, pretty massive, that's for sure. Going back over here to Whalebone Arch. There it is.